Hello guys, it's Richie here at Autolabpro, and this is a 2010 Mercedes-Benz E350 4MATIC. Nice car, I like this car. This is what you call in the industry, this is a W212 body. Alright, well, I'm gonna do some more work to it, but I figured I'd do a short video on how to remove the alternator. Replacing it is just the same as removing it, just in reverse. All right, so I'm gonna go over that real quick with you, and here we go. Here's some stats to get you started. All right, so 2010 Mercedes-Benz E350 4MATIC alternator removal and replacement. All right, this be what you call in the industry a W212 body. The body changes, it's still an E-class, but the body changed, right? 268 horsepower, not bad for a V6, I like it. Tire size, 245/45 R17. This particular car just happened to have the same size tires in the front as it does in the back, which means you can rotate them yourself, okay? I'll show you how to do that in the other video. So right now, let's go over this alternator removal. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. First thing we're gonna go over is removing the paneling inside your engine compartment. Okay, you got your ductwork. Remove those. Paneling. Remove that. And then your filter housing slash intake covers. All right, and voila, there's your 272 engine in your 2010 Mercedes E350 4MATIC. All right, let's see, there's your alternator right here. What I'm touching is your alternator, okay? Now before we do any alternator work, we want to be safe. So I already disconnected the battery, and I've got the terminal, negative terminal covered up there. Okay. Now, next thing we want to do is we're going to remove that belt. But before I remove the belt, because I'm trying to hold the camera at the same time, you see how I got that long handle 3/8 ratchet with a 17mm socket at the end of it? Well, that's actually attached to the tensioner, okay? It's already there. In order to remove that belt, you want to apply pressure to this handle, push down, that belt will come off, okay? Again, pay attention to your belt routing so it goes on the same way you took it off, all right? Now, I want to go over a couple things here with you with this alternator. So you got 4 bolts hanging on, attaching this alternator to the engine, okay? 4 bolts. You got 2 at the top. 1, 2. Let's see if you can see that in there. 1, 2. See my finger? 1, 2. And then underneath, you have another 2. And then you got 2 electrical connections. Your positive cable and the alternator electrical connector. Okay, remove both of those after you take the 4 bolts out. It's a lot easier. Okay, and the other 2 bolts for the top here, you can access through the bottom. After you remove your engine panels from the bottom, you can easily access those. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Now, before I go, I just want to show you tools you're going to use for that job. This is inverted Torx. This is an E12, okay, inverted Torx. You're gonna need that for the alternator bolts. I'm gonna use my little stubby 3/8 flexible head ratchet for that. And also I have Torx wrenches. Tools of the trade. Everybody might not have those, but Sears will carry what you need there for this job, just to remove that alternator. All right, and that's pretty much it in a nutshell. That's a removal of the alternator for a 2010 Mercedes-Benz E350 4MATIC. And stay tuned. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Be safe, and no texting and driving. I'm located here in Matawan, New Jersey. Come see me if you need work on your Mercedes. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.